Okay, so all around me you can hear a species of frog right now that sounds a lot like a bird, alright? It's because they're called a bird voice tree frog, and it's actually not a bird, it's a frog. You'll hear them pretty frequently, but you don't usually see them very often, so I'm gonna go ahead and get some close-up shots of them calling and let you all see that, because they really are an awesome frog, and they're one of my favorite ones we have in Memphis, so thought I'd share it with you guys, so I hope you all enjoy.